Welcome to my channel, Living Linux. Someone on my Fluxer channel asked about Super NES emulation on RISC-V. Now, I never had a Nintendo console, so I also don't have any Nintendo games. But luckily, at least for the Super Nintendo, there is some homebrew that is available for free. And here is one example, Super Boss Gaiden. And yeah, you can download it for free, or you can get it from GitHub. So yeah, I'm running on a SpaceMid K3, so perhaps you can also emulate Super NES with Batocera on a Vision 5 too. But I wanted to see if I can build it from source. So I tried Snes9x, and it's not that complicated. Well, you can see it's available for a lot of different platforms, but not officially for RISC-V. But you can build it from source. So get the code, and you need to get the submodules. And these are the requirements, or dependencies as some people would say. So I think that's this. And yeah, once you've gone through the procedure, then it should be possible to play it. So let's start this game. We're at 3x resolution. So let's see. Oh. Let's see. So you can try to carry that piano. Oh. Oh well. I guess you get the idea of this game. This boss is very angry and well, he wants to get to the R&D department to destroy the last prototype. So I think the story is that in the end this prototype was the start of the actual PlayStation, and there was no more cooperation between Nintendo and Sony for a gaming console. And I guess the rest is history. So yeah, like I said, I don't have any Nintendo games, so I just tested with a free game, and it's good to see that we have Super Nintendo emulation on RISC-V. Perhaps when Batocera 44 gets released for the Vision 5.2, that I will have a look at it again and see if we can get it playable on the Vision 5.2. But for now, you can try to build it from source, and well, at least I have it working on a SpaceMate K3. So this is all for now, and I hope to see you again in my next video.